Madrid, and I will be vlogging today on how I do my own hair for the first time. I'm going to be dyeing it. I'll just be retouching the roots over here because you can see my natural hair color over here, and then it's just like a color block, and then it's brown and then blonde. So I need to fix that, and since it's quarantine, well, technically Spain is in de-escalation, but I'd rather stay at home just to be safe. So I am going to DIY my own hair color using the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cream. So it's in the shade Rubio Oscuro. It's quite exposed. I hope you can all see it. But we'll be trying that, and I hope everything goes well. I had some breakfast and a coffee so that at least I'd feel better just in case it doesn't go well. You know, just to lift up the mood, and I hope you can join me on this little journey today. All right, let's begin. Again, this is in the shade Rubio Oscuro, or dark blonde, number 6. So, unboxing this thing now. It comes with an instructional pamphlet and 5 things. Okay, so we have this one is called 1A, we have 1B, and we have another nozzle for 1B as well. We have a step 2, number 2. It's for shampoo. And then we have step 3, which is supposed to be your lightweight nourishing mask. I'm guessing after you color your hair to repair. That rhymes. Okay, and then we have this little plastic bag. I'm guessing these are the gloves. Reading the informational pamphlet, the instructions. It's in Spanish, but I'll try to practice my Spanish then. If you haven't watched my past makeup videos, I made around 3 to 5 makeup videos in Spanish to practice my Spanish, but I actually grew up speaking English and Tagalog, my native language in the Philippines. Okay, so option 1 is about covering your roots mainly, and then option 2 is doing the whole head. So I want to do option 1, just retouching my roots. So you need to start by applying the mix. I'm guessing you mix 1A and 1B on your roots, and then your hair needs to be dry as well. Sin lavar. Use la punta del aplicador para separar el cabello section por sección. Okay, so you need to section your hair. Y deje actuar durante 20 minutos. Okay, so I leave it on for 20 minutes on the roots, and then I will apply the rest towards the bottom to blend everything, and then leave it there durante 10 minutos for 10 minutes. Okay, let's start with that. That shouldn't be too hard, right? But how to begin? I guess I'll start parting my hair to half part. I'll be mixing 1A and 1B together. You have to put this in this. Wow. Okay, so again, this is more like a vlog than a tutorial. This is my first time to try out these things. I don't know, I'm just really hoping that it goes well. I've been planning to do my hair for a couple of weeks now, but it's only today that I've mustered the courage somehow, and some family members and friends actually told me that I should vlog this experience and post it on my YouTube channel. So this one's for you guys. Ooh, feeling like a chemist over here. I plan to squeeze everything out of this thing. So, she's squeezed out. Let's shake this baby. We have to shake this vigorously, according to the instructions in Spanish. I hope I'm understanding everything right. I still have high hopes. I hope everything goes right and looks right. Back in the Philippines, I love to go to Creme salon, and they're usually the ones taking care of my hair color. Wines, I miss you. I wish you were here, but trying to be independent right now. Let's just try to make this look cool. Take off the tab immediately so that a bit comes off right away. Towel. It's pink. This one is from Aquazorb. I got it like when I was 9 years old. By the way, try to guess how old I am now. You could use this nozzle too, instead of the pinpointy one. Let's see. What could go wrong, right? Whoa! I'm amazed. Okay. It's not when you got those baby hairs. I wonder how quickly you have to work with this. I think I put a lot on that. Oh my goodness. Andre, help! Oh wow, I forgot to put the gloves on. This is wonderful. Oh my god! I forgot to put the gloves on. Well, thankfully, I did my nails recently and they're the same color as my hair. So, at least, right? We have a saving grace. I was just so excited. I forgot to put the gloves on, but I have them on now. Okay, I feel kind of less scared now and a bit more professional. Now that I'm wearing gloves. Amazing what putting on a few things can do to you. That's the power of fashion. I promise, this is not from the movie The Ring. Okay, it's just me trying to do my hair. So yeah, while we're here, I was actually thinking, I'm thinking of making like a glow up series in quarantine with some DIY self-care routines. We could go through the awkwardness of it all together. Some things I would actually know how to do, like maybe makeup, and maybe I could share with you my healthy morning routine. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, or leave me a DM in my Instagram. I'll leave the links below. Okay, so surprisingly this bottle hasn't even run out yet, and I'm just like blending it all the way down to the ends of my hair, just in case. So, doing that. Okay. Privacy please, and then I'm ready for the world. Wow. Close the curtain. Okay, my alarm has rung and I look weird. Time to use this now and go in the shower. Hey guys, okay, so I'm back. I've washed and rinsed my hair. I used the shampoo that they provided, and I also used step 3, lightweight nourishing mask. I use this lightweight nourishing mask, so there's that. My hair is still wet and I can't tell the difference with the colors yet because it just looks dark to me when my hair is wet. So yeah, I'll be drying and styling my hair and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. So I've dried and I've styled my hair. I actually like it. You can't see the distinction as much of my roots compared to the rest of my hair anymore. At least in my opinion, it seems more well blended. And I smell like apples. Shampoo and conditioner products smell amazing. They smell like apples or apple juice, applesauce, all that good stuff. And yeah, I feel great. I'm feeling a bit more confident now that my hair color is a bit more blended and a bit more even. So, good job, L'Oreal. Thank you so much. By the way, my loungewear, what I'm wearing, my top is from Uniqlo and my tie-dye joggers are from Bershka. So yeah, pretty happy. So, thank you for joining me on this very awkward learning journey on how to dye my own hair. I hope you guys try it out too if you have to, because I really needed to. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!